Alrighty, today we're gonna do another battle. We're gonna do a Mega Box battle this time. Got 2024 Illusions, 2024 Phoenix, and 2024 Zenith. Alrighty, not a product review. We're just gonna rip them and see who got the best hits. Let's get started. Everybody pretty much probably already knows what these boxes got, so I'm not going to go over all that information. Empty. All right, we got Illusions. Empty. Zenith. And Phoenix. All right, we're going to start with Illusions. I'm just going to skim through the base, just looking for the hits here. Base, 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 base. And even though the rookie cards, I still consider them base. Base, base. All right, we have orange, Braylon Allen. And Lamar Jackson on the game Magicians. Base, 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 base. All right, Trevor Lawrence on the Illusionists. Aaron Rodgers on the orange. And what do we got here? Justin Jefferson on the Illusionists. I believe that's the orange, and that's the base. It's not a bad pack there. Base, 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 base. Garrett Wilson on the orange, and CeeDee Lamb on the Illusionists. We've got some mem card here. Yep. All right, orange. Malik Neighbors on the clutch. And we've got a Drake May, Great Expectations patch card. Not bad. Base, 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 base. 2 packs left. All right. Orange, Darius Slayton, and Shining Stars, A.J. Brown. Base, 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 base. Got Marvin Harrison Jr. clutch. And Malik Neighbors, I think, what do they call it? The orange. Base, 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 and base. All right, let's move on to the Zenith. Says one autograph or mem, chances are mem. Base, 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 base. George Kittle on the A to Z. Oh, state of the art, CJ Stroud. I do like those state of the art cards. Rookie, base, 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 and base. Base, 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 base. No Huddle red, DJ James. Green 2-minute drill, Bo Jackson. Drake May, Z Marquis. Base, 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 and base. Base, 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 base. Harrison Butker, A to Z. Another state of the art. Who we got here? Anthony Richardson. Base, 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 and base. Alright. Let's see. Base, 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 base. Malik Washington on the green 2-minute drill. Got Idols, Barry Sanders, and Jamar Gibbs. Base, 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 and base. All right, 2 packs left with Zenith. So we got the mem card here. Yeah. Base, 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 base. Bo Nix on the Z Marquis. Michael Penix on the State of the Art. Keon Coleman on Turning Pro. Not numbered. Base, 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 base. Alrighty, last pack. Base, 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 base. Green Dalton Kincaid. Idols. Drew Pearson, CeeDee Lamb. Oh, got us an orange Josh Allen, State of the Art. Base, 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 base. All right, moving on to Phoenix. Base, base, base. Purple, Danico Autry. Got a Treasured Tandems, Irving and Smith. Base, and Latu on the purple. Okay, if you like what you see here, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know which box you think won. Base, base, base. Oh, what do we got here? Malik Neighbors, numbered 43 out of 140. That's a nice little numbered card right there. Rookie Rising, Keon Coleman, base and base. Base, base, base. Aaron Rodgers on the Hyper, or I'm sorry, Jordan Love on the Hyper. Brian Thomas Jr., Malik Neighbors, and base. Base, 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 base. Got a Contours, Patty Mahomes. Base, and what is that? Hyper. Jaquan Jackson. Last 2 packs. Here we go. Base, 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 base. Rookie Rising, Brendan Rice, Chase McClellan, and Joe Milton III on the Purple Hyper. Last pack. Base, 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 base. Malik Neighbors on the Contours. Caleb Williams, Braden Fisk. Alrighty, let's take a look and see. Malik Neighbors on the orange. Marvin Harrison Clutch. Slayton Orange, Shining Stars. AJ Brown. We've got our Drake May, Great Expectations. Daniel Jones Orange. Malik Neighbors on the Clutch. Garrett Wilson, CeeDee Lamb, Trevor Lawrence Orange Illusionist, Aaron Rodgers, Justin Jefferson, Braylon Allen, and Lamb Jack. It was a decent box, I'd say. Okay, and then we got Zenith. We got a orange State of the Art, Josh Allen, Idols, Kincaid, Keon Coleman turning pro. Stroud, Bo Nix, Idols, Malik, Anthony Richardson, Harrison, Drake May, Jackson, DJ James, CJ Stroud, and George Kittle. And then last, we have our Phoenix. Caleb Williams, rookie. Malik Neighbors, Contours. Joe Milton, Purple Hyper. Brendan Rice, rookie Ryzen. Jaquan Jackson, Hyper. Patty Mahomes, Contours. Brian Thomas Jr., rookie Ryzen. Jordan Love, Hyper. Rookie Ryzen, Keon Coleman. Numbered Malik Neighbors to 140. I think that's the red. Latu, Smith and Irving, and Danico Autry. I'm going to have to give it to Phoenix this time. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know who y'all thought won. Y'all have a good day.